Let's go ahead and set up your global filters in eLocate.
Like and subscribe so you never miss what's coming next at Epic Shops to help you sell more online. Global filters let you create searchable categories that help customers narrow down search results and find the store that's right for them. These same categories can also highlight important information on your store cards, making it easier for customers to compare locations at a glance. For example, you might create categories for services, amenities, certifications, business types, or any other details that matter to your customers. Now, let's set this up. Go to Global Filters. Then click Add New to create a new filter category. Start by entering a name for your global filter. Think of this as the category you'd like customers to search by in your Store Locator. Next, choose whether you'd like to make this a featured global filter. To see how a featured global filter appears in your Store Locator, click Preview. When enabled, this category is highlighted on matching store cards, making the information you want customers to notice easier to spot at a glance. If you'd like to feature this category, turn on the Featured Global Filter toggle. Keep in mind that only one featured global filter can be enabled at a time. If another filter is already featured, you'll be asked whether you'd like to replace it. Choose Yes, Proceed to replace it, or No, Cancel to keep the current featured global filter. Now, let's add the values for this category. Open the Build Your Global Filter Values section. These are the options customers will see when using this filter to narrow down their search results in your Store Locator. If you assign this global filter to a store, these values can also appear on the store card to highlight important information about that location. To see an example, click Preview. If you've marked this category as a featured global filter, its values will appear as highlighted text on the store card. Other filter values will appear as standard store information. Now, to add a value, enter it into the Global Filter Value field. Then click Add Filter Value. As you add values, they'll appear in the list on the right. Repeat these steps until you've added all the values you need. If you'd like to rename a value, click Edit. Make your changes, then click Update. You can reorder the values by dragging them into the order you'd like them to appear. This order will be reflected wherever these values are displayed. You can also remove a value by clicking Delete. Once everything looks good, click Save to create your global filter. Repeat these steps for any additional filter categories you'd like to add. That's it! Your global filters are now ready to use. If you'd like to learn how to assign these global filters to your store locations, watch the Assign Store Filters video guide. If you need a hand at any point, just click Get Help in the top right corner to access Epic's support resources. And if you have a question or would like a personalized walkthrough, just email us at support@epicshops.com. Our team will be happy to help.